In this video, we'll solve the triangle. If you know the three sides and three angles, the triangle is solved. So in this ABC triangle, angle C is given 47.1 and side C is 9.7. We have to find angle A and side B. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180. So angle B is 90. So angle C plus angle A should come to 90. So angle C is given 47. So angle A will be 90 minus 47. 47.1. It comes to 90 minus 47.1. This comes to 42.9. So angle A we got 42.9 degree. Now we have to find side B. So B for reference angle C. So side B is hypotenuse and side C is opposite. So we know the opposite, we have to find hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, we can use sine ratio. So sine 47.1 equals opposite upon hypotenuse, that is 9.7 upon B. To solve B, we cross multiply. So B times sine 47.1 equals 9.7 times 1, that is 9.7. To solve B, we divide by sine 47.1, left side and right side. So it comes to 9.7 divided by sine 47.1 is 0.73, and it comes to 9.7 divided by 0.73. 13.28. 13.28 or 13.3 we can write centimeters. So side B we got 13.3 centimeter. Now we have to find side A. So for this angle C, this is called adjacent. And we know the hypotenuse and adjacent. We can use adjacent hypotenuse is cos theta. So we write cos 47.1 equals adjacent upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we already know 13.3 and adjacent we have to find. So we can write A upon 13.3. So A equals cos 47.1 times 13.3. So cos 47.1 equals 0.68 times 13.3. It comes to 9.05. So side A is 9.05 centimeters. So now we know all the three sides and all the three angles. So this triangle is solved. Okay, we'll go to the next question. In triangle KLM, angle K is 90 degree and side M is 12.4 and side L is given 8.8. We have to find K side and the two angles. So angle M we have to find, angle L and side K. Suppose this angle is theta. For theta, this is called opposite side and this becomes adjacent. So opposite and adjacent ratio is tan. So we can write tan theta equals opposite is 8.8 upon 12.4. So we can write here tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So it comes to 8.8 divided by 12.4. It comes to 0.70. So tan theta equals 0.70. So angle theta equals 0.70 tan inverse. Tan inverse, it comes to 35.3. So we know angle angle L is 35.3 degree. So the angle K is 90 and this is 35.3. So angle M will be 90 minus 35.3. So 90 minus 35.3, it comes to 54.7. So angle M we got 54.7 degree. So now we know the three angles and we have to find side K. So for this angle, this is called hypotenuse for L. So hypotenuse and we can use opposite and hypotenuse we can use. So sine theta equals sine 35.3 equals opposite upon hypotenuse, that is opposite is 8.8 upon hypotenuse is K. So we can write here sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. So cross multiply. So K times sine 35.3 equals 8.8. So to find K, we divide by sine 35.3 left side and right side. This cancels. So K equals 8.8. The value of sine 35.3 is 0.577. So 8.8 divided by 0.577. It comes to 15.25. So side K is 15.25. centimeter. So this triangle is solved. We know the three sides and three angles. Okay, one more question we'll do. In this triangle, angle D is 90 degree and we don't know E and F. So for this angle, suppose is theta. So this is called opposite side. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So we know the hypotenuse and we know the adjacent for this theta. So this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. The ratio between adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine theta. So cos theta equals adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos theta equals adjacent is 3.1 and hypotenuse is 5.2. Comes to 3.1 divided by 5.2. It comes to 0.596. So angle theta equals 0.596 cos inverse. So press second function and 0.596 cos inverse. So we get 53.4. The angle theta is 53.4. So we know angle E is 53.4 degree and angle D is 90. So these two angles E and F should come to 90. So angle E we know is 53.4. So angle F will be 90 minus 53.4. So 90 minus 53.4, it comes to 36.6. So angle F is 36.6 degree. Now we have to find side E. So for this angle E, this is opposite side and hypotenuse also we know, or you can use adjacent. So we are using opposite and hypotenuse. The ratio between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So sine 53.4 equals opposite is E upon hypotenuse is 5.2. So cross multiply. So E times 1 E equals sine 53.4 times 5.2. That comes to 53.4 sine 0.80 times 5.2. 4.17. 4.1. Sorry, 4.17 is E. And so many meters. Everything given in meters, so answer is in meters. So this triangle is solved because we know the three sides and we know the three angles. And one more last question. You have to find angle E. Two triangles are given ABC. With the help of ABC, we have to find angle E from in this triangle CDE. We'll go to first triangle ABC. Suppose this angle is theta 1. So for theta 1, this is called adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So what ratio we can use adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine or cos theta 1 equals adjacent is 19.4, hypotenuse is 28.8. It comes to 19.4 divided by 28.8. 0.67. So cos theta is 0.67. So angle theta will be 0.67 cos inverse. We press second function and then 0.67 cos inverse. It comes to 47.9. So we know this is 47.9. You know the straight line is 180. So this angle we know is given 91.7 and this we found 47.9. So this angle will be 180 minus we have to add, this is suppose theta 2. So angle theta 2 equals 180 minus 47.9. 9 plus 91.7, because we know the straight line angle is 180. So up to here is theta 1 and this is 91.7. So this angle will be 180 minus, add the 2. So 180 minus 91.7 plus 47.9 equals to 139.6 and comes to 180 minus 139.6, 40.4. So this angle we got theta 2 is 40.4. Now they're asking angle E. So this is 90 degree. So this and these two angles should come to 90. So angle E will be 90 minus 40.2. The angle E equals 90 minus 40.4. 90 minus 40.4 equals to 49.6. So this is the answer. So angle E is 49.6 degree. This is the answer. I hope now you understand how to solve this right triangle. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.